Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate to Azure Key Vault using RBAC detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by logging into the Azure portal at portal.azure.com. Once logged in, navigate to the Key Vault section in the left-hand menu. Click on Create to initiate the creation of a new Key Vault. Fill in the required fields, such as the subscription and resource group. Provide a name for your Key Vault and select the appropriate region. In the pricing tier section, choose the desired option based on your needs. Proceed to the Access Policy settings. Select Principal to specify who needs access to the Key Vault. In the search bar, enter the name of the user or group that requires access. After selecting the user or group, assign the necessary permissions from the available options. Next, go to the Access Control (IAM) tab on the left-hand menu. Click on +Add and choose Add Role Assignment. In the Role dropdown, select Key Vault Administrator for broader access or another. Search for the same user or group you specified earlier and select it. Review the summary of your settings and click Save to apply the role assignment. Now, navigate to the Azure Key Vault you just created. In the Secrets section, you can begin adding your secrets. Click on Generate/Import to create a new secret. Fill in the required fields, including the name and value of your secret. Save your new secret once all details are filled out. To authenticate, use Azure CLI, PowerShell, or SDKs depending on your project requirements. Ensure you have the Azure CLI installed and set up on your local machine. Open your terminal and log in using the command AZ login. Once logged in, use the command to access the Key Vault and retrieve your secret. The command syntax involves specifying the Key Vault name and the secret name. Execute the command to receive the secret value securely. This method ensures that only those with appropriate RBAC permissions can access the Key Vault. Finally, always monitor and review the access policies to maintain security standards. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.